Nationwide homeowner equity increased to an astonishing $1 trillion. In Maryland, the average equity increase in 2020 was $16,000. This means that buyers who purchased in 2019 and early 2020 may be pleased to know that the price increases means a boost in value for their homes. It's Friday, January 15th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Maryland. Prices were up 8.7% in the Baltimore metro area from 2019 to 2020. The Southern Maryland market, which includes Charles County, St. Mary's County, and now Calvert County, showed a 9.7% gain year over year. The Maryland suburbs, which includes Prince George's and Montgomery counties, was up 9% from 2019. The Eastern Shore market had the biggest gain, up 14.8% from 2019. Interest rates remain near record lows between 2.3% to 3.1%. Tight inventories will likely result in a continued seller's market as buyers compete for limited resources. The impact of the pandemic and potential economic changes are still too soon to predict the outcome. However, industry forecasts remain optimistic. Here's a quick year-end market overview. The Baltimore metro area sales were up 19.2% for 2020 with 7-month recorded highs. Homes averaged 2 weeks on the market, down from 27 days in 2019. December appeared to be a big listing month, up 20.1% higher than December 2019. Anne Arundel County was one of the hottest markets for the Baltimore metro region, showing 1,117 more homes in 2020 than in 2019. Hanover gained 27.4%. Pasadena days on the market shrank to 8 days. Baltimore City saw the region's biggest gain in the median sales price, with Brooklyn gaining 20.1%. Carroll County placed well in the 2020 market, with Mount Airy boasting a 28% gain in sales. Howard County remains one of the pricier counties of the Baltimore metro area. Prince George's County prices rose 11.3%, with Brandywine reporting a yearly median sales price up 18.5% to $430,000. Montgomery County remains one of DC's popular and priciest markets. Germantown saw interest up 16.2% in December, and Potomac homes moved from 27 days on the market down to 12 days on the market. That's your Maryland Market Minute for Friday, January 15th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Give me a call at 443-837-5645 if I can answer any questions regarding the market or your specific circumstances. Also, please be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our podcast. Thanks again for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Tune in next Friday and have a super weekend.